baby, can I just be honest? I ain't feel like this so long, it's crazy. Lately ain't been open-hearted, but you make me wanna be. Going you gone for way too long, it's feeling like I'm incomplete, and I just don't wanna be anything for you, I promise. Cause you're my missing piece, with something like a jigsaw puzzle fit together good. I'd hate to lose a piece of us, so I do what I should. Just please don't call this love unless you mean it. The laughs were left behind and defeated, and right when I thought I lost some pieces, your should appear and now we're completed. We're completed. You've been going through a lot this year. All I can do is say same. Don't really know how to make this clear, but I don't wanna bring you pain, and I don't ever wanna force nothing. So baby, tell me if you think I'm rushing. I know faking this ain't it. Baby, we're the perfect fit. Torn apart, we look a mess. We just gotta sift through that. Build a foundation first, working on inside next. Get comfortable with your days, feel like daydreaming. Next time, looking up, see we built the perfect with something like a jigsaw puzzle fit together good. I need to lose a piece of us, so I do what I should. Just please don't call this love unless you mean it. The last one left behind and defeated, and right when I thought I lost some pieces, you should appear and now we're completed. We're completed, yeah.
Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis. Are you gonna just sit there today, or are you ready to talk?